Hello everyone, welcome to Full Tech Stack. I'm Akash and this is part 3 of ASP.NET MVC5 series. In this video, we'll be setting up development environment for ASP.NET MVC5. For that, we will require IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment. Throughout this course video, I'll be using Visual Studio 2019. You can download it from here. You can download the community edition from here. This will download Visual Studio installer for you. Since I already have Visual Studio installed in my machine, let me just show you what are the necessary checkboxes you need to check while installing Visual Studio 2019. Here, you need to make sure ASP.NET and Web Development checkbox is checked, and then you can install. Let us wrap up this part here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming parts and other courses. Like, share and subscribe. Also write in your valuable feedback in the comment section.